Hello everyone, especially to the Raffles College. Thank you for being here today. I'm super happy with the results that we have done together, the collaboration. This columns here really looks super good, and it's of course one of the biggest one that we ever done in Ikea Malaysia. So I'm super proud and thank you for that. At the same time, I would like to say also as well, this collaboration doesn't end here today. We will go through, of course, limitless how we can collaborate together to build a better community as one, and also to build together as a proper working place for the future and experience and also knowledge sharing in the future as well. So let's work together, build much more better community and work together for the better future for all our children and for our people in Malaysia as well. Thank you guys, take care, have a great day.